guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just got home from work. I have tomorrow off, so I'm very happy about that. So I wanted to do another sipsby unboxing. Let me know if you guys like this setup better, because I have the light facing me, so hopefully the lighting is a little bit better. I'm gonna need to fix my laundry. Don't look at that, please. But yeah, so I accidentally canceled my Sips subscription, so I need to re-subscribe. I did it through PayPal, so I canceled my PayPal account yesterday, so instead of using PayPal, I'm just gonna do it the regular way. So yeah, so this is, I believe, November's sip unboxing, because I did October's, so this is November's. And so far I am extremely impressed. So let me just get some scissors and cut it open. So work was work. I mean, there's nothing too exciting that goes on at my work, but yeah. So as you can see, this is November's, so there's my little card. So first off, let me get some readers on. Okay, there we go. So for November's card, so the first thing is maple syrup oolong by David's Tea. Ooh, okay, I see you. Is this the oolong teas? Oh no, I think this is, yep. So this is the maple syrup oolong. And so it says sweet buttery pancakes, and it says steep 4 to 5 minutes, 4 to 5 minutes. And it says 1 to 2 perfect spoons. So I cannot wait to try this tonight. I don't believe oolong has caffeine, so I'm definitely gonna try this tonight, since it's only 8 o'clock and I can sleep in tomorrow. So that's the David's Tea oolong. Oh, it says low caffeine, so that's perfect. So next I'm gonna dig into the saffron chai tea by Tamina. I don't know how to say it. Sorry if I'm butchering it. So Tamina. So this is it right here. And it says it says 1 sachet per 8 ounces of water. It says steep for 4 minutes. And then I guess you can re-steep these for like 3 times. And this is high caffeine, so I might try this tomorrow morning. It says heat to 212 degrees Fahrenheit, 8 ounces of water, steep for 4 minutes, and then, yeah. And this is saffron chai. Ooh, never tried saffron. So that's it right there. Cannot wait to try that. And then the next thing in the box is Tart Tea to the Party by Tea Kitten. So I'm guessing this is it right here. This is caffeine free, and it says it's an herbal tea. So that's what it looks like. Sorry for the brightness. And it says about this tea, we're not kitten when we say this, when we say that this is the perfect copycat to fruit punch. Brew it hot and cuddle up with a mug in the evening, or brew it iced for a refreshing fruity delight. You got to try this. So I'm excited. So it says steeping instructions. 1 to 5 teaspoons per 8 ounces of water. It says steep for 10 minutes. Wow, I've never had to steep a tea for that long. And I love the packaging, like it's adorable. So this is caffeine free, so, and there's 4 servings in here, so I'll get good use out of that. Okay, and then the last thing in here is Duchess of Earl, and this is Tea's tea. So this is the last tea. Let me turn down the brightness. Sorry guys. There we go. And this is, let's see, it says on the card, it's high caffeine and lovers of Earl Grey will have a weakness for this tea. Oh, for this twist on a traditional blend laced with cornflowers and notes of vanilla, resulting in intoxicating creaminess. So that was everything on the card. And then the last thing, oh wait, no. Oh, I got, looks like I got 3 of the saffron chai. So I'll definitely be giving one of these to my mom to try. And then these are just reusable muslin cloth tea bag disposable bags inside. So I got these. So I guess you can just put like your loose leaf tea in here, and it's like you cinch it up and you can just put it in hot water if you want to do it that way, which I find very helpful. That way you don't mess up your like steeper. There we go. So that is everything I got in my November sipsby box. I'm definitely going to be trying this maple syrup oolong tonight, and I will let you guys know how I like it. And yeah, so I will be posting some videos, or not videos, some photos on my Instagram. So if you guys are not following me on my Instagram, I will have it in the description box below. And yeah, so that is it for this sipsby unboxing. And thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos, and make sure to turn on my post notifications, or turn on your post notifications for whenever I upload a new video. Bye guys.